All right. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Anywhere you are watching, I will say good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Well, I posted video about black market. A lot of people are asking me which one is black market. That's number one. And I posted KYC. I do a screen record KYC. You understand, on VeryChat. And people see my 15,000 VeryChat. They come, they wonder, how did I reach 15,000? That 15,000, they different. No, you get where the one with my referrals, the one within the mine, you get where their referral bonus, they down one then 20 something thousand. So if I pass KYC now, I will move it to that my this that almost that should be almost close to 30 or more than 30,000 pieces, right? Then when you come to VeryChat, I don't even take them that much serious. Understand? I don't even to take them serious, but I didn't mind. So some people are telling me I never even reach 300. Some people say I still did 100. You are not serious with that. Now why sometimes when you hear the price, they 10 naira for black market or 5 naira for black market, you could cry. Understand? Now, how did I get such amount? Yes, it's due to seriousness and help of referral. That's number one. Then what is black market token? Black market token are those tokens. In fact, black market coin, let me not call it token. Black market coin are those mining coins. As we mine them, they never launch them, but it's migratable. Understand? As in the apps, they have wallet where you can migrate your coin, move your coin to the wallet, and it can be transferable to each other. So they do it in a way so that you and another person can be testing the app. Understand? So, but because of the potential, where people, you get people where we say, they say, this coin will get potential. I'm gonna make a buy them from people. So those people now will now tell you, say, they buy this so amount. If you sell for me that coin, I will pay you. So that means that coin now, it was meant to be testing the wallet. But it means say if you transfer to me, I will transfer back to you. That's that. So it doesn't have value. But somebody creates value. The person will tell you, say, okay, send me the coin, I'm buying it 20 naira, I'm buying it 50 naira. Understand? So you will now have like 5,000 pieces. You now calculate 15 naira times 5,000. Wow, it's a very big money. Or yeah, I will sell. You will now send to the person will not pay you. That means the person you trust. Understand? So that is how black market come to existence. So we did it in Pi. A lot of people become their first millionaire in Pi network, as Pi never launched. Understand? A lot of people make millions from Pi, as Pi never launched. It never launched, just black market. Why? Because they mine a lot. Understand? A lot of people become millionaires on Syndra. In fact, a lot of people, plenty of people are eating from Syndra. As I'm talking to you, since last 3 years, they are eating, as in the money that they make, the job is from Syndra. For example, in fact, since 4 years, my house rent is from Pi. In fact, let me not just say Pi, it's from black market coins. This is why they pay house rent from black market coins. And they buy. You know, say they never launch now. As house rent expire, I go sell coin, pay house rent, still they buy back. I go reach house rent, go reach, I go sell. So now from black market coin, I use to pay my house rent. So those black market coin now are those coins and they mine. And if I get money, I go buy from people too. That's black market. Now, how do you make money from these black market tokens? And how do you get enough coin from people? So the way to make money from black market coin is from community. So if you are into crypto mining, you have to have community. And to build community now is very, very easy. Understand? All the people in your course have contact is your community. Understand? Now, if you get groups where you did, all of them are part of your communities. Those people, you can invite them to your group. But make sure before you create any group, You must make sure that you are going to be giving them information. So for example now, maybe there is coin you want to take share. Let me assume that VeryChat is your main coin you are mining now. Now you can create your group. You can name your group VeryChat Community. If your name is Chijioke, you go put on VeryChat Chijioke Community or Chijioke Community of VeryChat, or you give a millionaire Chijioke Millionaires group or Chijioke Mining groups. Understand? So that means those coins where you go to post for that group, you go to follow update. You go to follow update about the coin. If a person where you follow, you go to follow that person update. Understand? If now not be the person you follow, another person in an update they get from online, go they follow, they get those updates, they update them. Understand? Now ginger them to mine. So as they are mining and they are one of your community, once the coin enter black market, that is once the coin they transfer level and people they buy them from black market, they will sell the coin to you and you will sell to vendor. Understand? There must be a person that buy higher than you. You don't get market where they sell and now man to man. Understand? You get person where you go they sell and give. Like me now, I get vendor where we say any coin where the black market, he's buying it. And most of the coins why they mine with the black market is the one giving me the coins. Citra, VeryChat, Ruby, many of them. Nobody didn't give me pie, but now through pie we meet. Understand? So I want to tell you now, begin now the create group. We see the mine Citra, VeryChat, we see the mine Ruby. Share them, give them. Better than the mine now. Understand? B network. Now he give me B network. B network another bomb for black market. Understand? So once those your community now can sell. Understand? Once black market start and they want to sell, they will sell to you. You will be buying from there and be selling to vendor. That is how you make money. So if the black market is 50 naira, you buy from them 10 naira or 45 naira. You use 5 naira to sell or use 10 naira to sell. So imagine where they give you 10,000 coin. Calculate 10 naira times 10,000. You know how much will it be? You are sitting in Nigeria now. You use the money go sustain you for 1 week. Before you know it, another big one will come. Small one will come. That's how it works. Understand? So what I have to tell you now is that, understand, another mining will come, and when that mining come, you be the first person to get the update. You be the first person to share it to them. You begin the first person to be giving them updates. Yes, now we don't get VeryChat, we don't get Ruby, we don't get B network, we don't get CPN. Understand? People don't do. Now that person will they follow. If not me, they follow. You get another one we go come this year. Before this year, and that my vendor could drop another strong one for me. So if he drop another strong one for me and I drop him and they follow me, and I drop him and they follow me. Once I drop them, you copy and share to your community. Once you share out to your community, they ginger them, they demand. Once black market starts, they begin to sell to you. You can sell to me. So create your community now. I'm just giving you information now. Create your own community now. Yes, begin the gather community. Many people where they secondary school, where just come and they don't know anything about crypto, put them through. Go to schools, get number of SP them, carry them, teach them, and be teaching them how to avoid scammers online, how to do this one, how to do crypto, we don't do crypto, so we don't know what's in the crypto. It's not about hype again. Time don't pass where we get the hype coin. So we need to be seeing the potential, understand, before we act. But most important thing now is black market. I don't explain what in black market means. And for you to benefit well that black market, you need community. So begin at the gather a community small, so that once person drop the mining, you drop your community, they go the mine. Those your community, we still get their own community, because the more referral, the more token you get. And you can sell big. Imagine as we mine pie, some people get 20,000 pie, 40,000 pie where they mine. Understand? Some people 5,000, 7,000. Then imagine that I will buy there 4,000 for black market, 3,000 for black market. I sell 2,000 pie. How many million be that? So get ready for black market coin. More is coming. Understand? No be all coin they go for black market. But anyone when my vendor put hand, they go. So once my vendor drop any new one now and they come, I could give you. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you are watching on TikTok, make sure you are following me. Understand? Anywhere you see my video, make sure you are following me. Understand? So that is the secret of making money in black market coins. Understand? You get person where you know when the person talk about black market, you go know Interlink, how much Interlink they for black market. Interlink they when it starts in 2000 something, now they 1009 or 1008 for black market. When Pi start black market 3 years ago, now 500, 600, and before 4 years ago. Now it fall to less than 100. You see I'm happy. So people will sell that time make money. Interlink people will get on that time when they start 2000 something, they make money 25. They made money. And you are still waiting for launching. A lot of people don't take Interlink serious. Now they don't mine them. Hey, I was mining it at Dumpam. You have to take it serious. Understand? So ladies and gentlemen, I have to stop here. Thank you very much. Share this video. Invite your person to subscribe. You get why?